Looking like it's growing from the scalp. Ayy. Oh, looking like it's growing from the scalp. Ayy. Oh, looking like it's growing from the scalp. Ayy, looking like it's growing from the scalp. Ayy. Oh, looking like it's growing from the scalp.
Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah, music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love, like a pool with it. Way below the surface, babe. In the things, yeah, you see the inner man. Never sweat, no. Baby, come and talk to me, walk with me, show them how it ought to be.
Come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise. There's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat. I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep. Ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it on the low. Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need no plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Your girl is feeling great, feeling good. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope y'all are staying safe and taking care of you. Okay? Yes, boo. I'm talking to you. All right, y'all. So today's video is sponsored by Donmily. I hope I said that right. I apologize if I didn't. Okay. Shanita Baker style. I apologize. Hey. Oh, believe me, I do. Yes. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. And also, if they do send me a coupon code, I'll list that down below in the description box as well. All right, y'all, so let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Yes, y'all, I know I keep calling this a wig, but it's really my hair, y'all. I'm on a whole new different wave. Do you feel me? Like Rapunzel, let down your hair. My hair has been growing underneath these wigs, so I decided to flat iron it today. And y'all, looks, honey. Do y'all see my hair? So just call me Shapunzel, okay? The wig that I am wearing today is their 13x4 body wave lace front wig with baby heads. But y'all, they was quite long, so I do call them granddaddy long leg baby head. This wig is 150% in density. I have it in 20 lovely inches, and the starting price for this unit, y'all, is y'all ready? $74.27. But my wig is 20 inches, so therefore it is $175.73. Just remember, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach y'all how to lay and slay these wigs and serve straight scalp. Okay? Hey y'all, what's up? So y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these pros and cons on you. I honestly don't have a lot of cons when it comes to this wig. I do have one, but it's not really a con. But I just want to make you guys aware in case you do decide to purchase this unit. So the only con that I would have to say about this wig is that the lace does come very, very light. Now, I say it's not really a con because everybody isn't my skin complexion. So you might be lighter than me and the lace may work great for you. But for my chocolatey skin, I did have to go in with my lace tint spray to darken up the lace. And when I did melt the lace, all I did was put some pressed powder on the hairline. Y'all popping. Let the wig speak for itself. Yes, the lace did come light, but it melted down to perfection, baby. Okay, baby. So like I said, I only have that one con. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say, y'all, is this hair. Okay, this hair is freaking beautiful. As you may have noticed in the beginning of this video, this is a body wave wig, but after I shampooed and deep conditioned the hair and I let it air dry overnight, I was like, let me just straighten it. I wanted to see how well the hair took to heat, and y'all, it is still soft. I'm not receiving any tangles, no shedding. The ends aren't brittle. They're still full of life. This hair is so soft, it's so beautiful. Now, I did receive a little bit of tangling and shedding while shampooing the hair, but once I brushed out the hair with my paddle brush, be gone. You do get 13x4 parting space, so that is more than enough room to do a middle, left, or right part. The hairline did come pre-plucked, but you really can't see the hairline because I just went with a straight, sleek look. I do believe that this wig is beginner friendly, you guys, because of how easy it was for me to install this unit. The lace does come light, but it was such an easy fix that I'm not even mad about it. Sometimes it's hard to tint lace and melt it, but y'all, it's speaking for itself. It's speaking for itself. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig is fitting me to a T. Both of the ear tabs are matching up with my ears. Parting space is very natural as well. All I did was apply some pressed powder. I ain't do no plucking. I ain't do none of that extra stuff, and just look how perfect the parting space looks. Baby hairs are a tad bit long, but you know, if you use baby hairs, you can cut them down. I didn't cut them down or pluck them out. I just flat ironed them into the wig, and they do peek out every so often. But other than that, I love this wig, y'all. Really, really no complaints. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. I love this wig. We serving straight scalp. 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 Scalp, 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 hey, scalp, scalp. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Donmily, I hope I said that right, for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Show them how